I started working on the motorcycle in automotive class. It was sitting for a couple decades in a barn.
We got the motorcycle from a dairy farmer in Abbotsford. It was neglected, some parts were hanging off, it didn't run. In the end, we were hoping we could donate this motorcycle to an auction for the Canada Food Grains Bank.
I really liked to pay attention to the details. I'm most proud that I was able to actually do it because I never thought that I would be doing something like that.
It's cool because there's three parts to the donation. The farmer is donating the bike, Sienna is donating the time to work on it, and our shop program is donating the new parts that we put on it. It's become just a really rich experience for everybody who's involved.
I'm really happy that we were able to help. I think it looks really cool.
As the days keep turning into